Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss some grammatical errors that are in the passage. The first passage is, what is the first passage? This is the first passage, number 1. The Montague and the Capulet were two rival families. The Montague and the Capulets were the two rival families. Were the. Could understand the. Here we need to use the. The two rival families. Should be not a family. This should be plural. Family. LIES. Two rival families of Verona. Families. Plural. Families. Of Verona. Verona is a place. Romeo was a handsome. What did I say? Romeo was a handsome. Montague and Juliet was an attractive. Montague and Juliet was attractive means begins with a pronounced as a vowel sound, so it should be N. It should be N. An attractive couplet. Right, both of them met at a ball, got a party beta-beti helle, and fell in love with the first sight. For the love at the first sight. That is not with it. The right preposition is at. At. Fell in love with each other at first sight. But soon they found out that they are not are. This should be past tense. Yes, it's a past tense. Is were. They were from enemy families. They planned to marry secretly. They planned to marry, not married. After two, we should use bare infinite, that is marry. Marry secretly. With the help of a prayer, ଜାନି କହିପାରିବା ଫୁଲ ତୋଳାଇଦିଅ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଫିଅରରେ who hoped to unite to after to benefit ing not necessary. Could understand? Unite. Yes, unite the two families through their union. They secretly married. गुप्तर बाहर अनफॉर्चुनेटली दुर्भाग्यवशतः रोमियो किल्ड जूलियट्स कजिन. रोमियो कौन गला जूलियटर कजिन को मारदेला इन ए स्ट्रीट फाइट. रास्ता कड़र स्ट्रीट फाइट एंड वाज बेनिस्ड. अदृश्य हो गला. एंड वाज बेनिस्ड. was banished from the city. Lord Capulet. It's already space is there. Banished from the city. Lord Capulet decided that Juliet would marry. Billy become. This is the present tense. Billy is the present tense. It is in the past tense. So Billy become would right would marry Count Paris. Juliet called to the Führer. Juliet called on. To is not this is the right preposition on. देखा करिया वाला Führer for help साहाଯ୍य पाएंगे लेकिन The Führer offered her a drug and said, the Führer offered a drug, गोटे निशा देदेला, निशा द्रव्य देदेला, and said, if you will take it, तू जदि एटा खाऊ, if you take it. Will, if class will not necessary. Because in main class there is will. If you take it, you will look. You will look as if dead. Satyajar Murti for 42 hours. So, a messenger sent to a messenger was sent. Potha gola. A messenger was sent to inform. To inform. This is inform. RM. Yes, inform Romeo of the plan. On the night before the wedding, on the night before her wedding, this is her wedding. Her wedding, Juliet took the drug and passed. Juliet took the and passed away. Away morigala. AWAY passed away. Could understand? The messenger could not reach. The messenger could not reach. This is not a should not. Instead of should write could not. Could not. Yes. Could not reach. Romeo. Full stop. Believing Juliet to be dead, मरी जाइए भाभी विश्वास करी रोमियो एंटर्ड हेयर टॉम्ब बोले से आम कौचे कौन ये जो कौन समाधि पीठ एंड ड्रांक पॉइजन पी देला जूलियट वोक अप ओनली टू फाइंड रोमियो डेड and stabbed herself by his dagger. Stabbed मैंने भूसी गला तार छुरा डानी के पेट भूसी दला dagger. Another one is that is here is the another thing I learnt from here was that good manners. No, the thing this is should be the thing. The thing I learnt because this is the antecedent of the class, so it should be with the ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ସବଅର୍ଡିନେଟ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ଟା ଅଛି ସବଅର୍ଡିନେଟ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ଏଇଟା ପୂର୍ବପଦ ପାଖରେ ସଦାବେଳେ ଦି ରହିବ ତ the antecedent of a clause, subordinate clause should be always with the. The thing I learned from here, learnt. This is I learnt, past tense. Learnt from here was that good manners were a matter of. This is a matter of, not the. Use of the is wrong. Okay. A matter, which is small letter? I singular सदर capital letter. Where a matter of fundamental decency, ଆମର ମୌଳିକ ଅବକ୍ଷୟ fundamental decency, not of external policy. If here we spared or laughed in the presence of visitors. Loved at the presence of visitors and that even quite innocently we were called to order for the time being, although afterwards more severe order for the timing, although afterwards more severe dealt with. This is not dealt in. Dealt with मुकाबला करिबा. Yeah, with dealt in बेले व्यापार करिया. The fault which my mother emphasized. Okay, ed was not the mere lapse in a manners, what the meanings of behavior, meanness of behavior, be, meanness of behavior. This is
R.
I-O-U-R, behavior, which might, may, is not correct, might, M-I-G-H-D, which might wound the feeling of others. Okay, so now let's move to the, yeah, full stop shall I give? Okay, thank you, that's like a good boy. Okay, now let's move to the paragraph number 3, and it is like this. During the British rule, British शासन समୟରେ English became the language of administration, प्रशासनर भाषा थिला इंग्रेजीटा, and the medium, and a medium, no, A is wrong, right article the medium, because second time used, so the medium of instruction in India, right? This language united the people of the multilingual. This language united the people of this multi. That is the language. That is the lingual. That is the lingual, multilingual. Right? Multilingual country politically, politically, right? In independence India, in independent, that is the indent.
Multilingual
L, multilingual. Oh, I see. Multilingual L-I. Thank you. I. Okay, multilingual. Right? So, in independent India, that is independent India, English has been allowed to continue as a language of administration. प्रशासनर भाषा रूपे जारी रखा जाइए. Our judicially and penal code, our judicially and penal code follow the English system. Right? This is a small letter, not capital letter, justice. Okay? E-O, system. System. Okay? System. So, English, X, so English X, not act. This is singular. So English X, yes, X as a language common to all. Common to all. Right? This is common to all. To all. If we abolish English, abolish उठे देवा, and force all people to accept any of the Indian language, any of the Indian languages. भारतीय भाषा मानक मध्यरु so languages is a common language, as the common language, as the common language. There may be cows, पाटितुंड घू घा रड़ी पाटितुंड इत्यादि इत्यादि हिजो. And the unity of the country will be marred. Marred, M-A-R-R, marred. Marred. अब आमर एकता भी गड़बड़ हो. Could understand? So these paragraphs are from what? TBW sample English plus 2 second year English sample book test paper. Could understand? You can refer the test paper. It's a good test paper for the students of plus 2 second year English or first to second year stream, any stream, arts, commerce or science. So better follow that book. So with this, that is the end of today's grammatical error finding. We shall do the other paragraphs in your next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.